All right, this is section 6.3, part 2. Let's go ahead and evaluate log of 6 of square root of 6. So I'm going to set this equal to y. So 6 raised to y is equal to the square root of 6. Now, what do we need to raise 6 to in order to get the square root of 6? Well, we could rewrite this as 1/2. So 6 raised to 1/2, hey, that's the same thing as the square root of 6. So this is equal to 1/2. Now let's look at the natural log of e raised to negative 18. Now, this is the same thing as the log of base e of e raised to negative 18 is equal to y. So e raised to y is equal to e raised to negative 18. Okay, so what do we need to raise it to for these two to be equal? Well, looks like we need to raise e to negative 18 to be equal to e to raise to negative 18. So that means y is equal to negative 18. So this whole thing is equal to negative 18. Now let's look at this one. So this is log of base e of negative 500, and that is equal to y. Well, e raised to y is equal to negative 500, so e raised to y is equal to negative 500. Well, there's nothing I can raise e to because that's a positive number. So a positive number, even raised to a negative number, say 2 raised to negative 5. Okay, well that's just 1 over 2 raised to 5. Okay, that's still going to be a positive number. So for this one, what you should have noticed is right here. Notice we have negative 500. Now the two things that you cannot have inside the parentheses there is a 0 and a negative number. Here we have a negative number. So actually, we have absolutely no solution to this one right here because it doesn't even meet the definition of a logarithm. We can't have a negative number. So this one would be no solution.